thank you kayo.
Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you. Legi. Ligo na. Legi. O, thank you ka. Video yan. Oo.
Hi, Kevin and Ate Marat. Thank you so much for the
Outing. Diba yun? Thank you. Ay, tingnan mo naman yung dalawa. Oh. Iris. Ano pangalan siya? Ira. Oh, hindi ka naka-smile po. Olivera. Hindi, thank you ka kay Babak. Uncle. Ano oras tayo mamalengke? Hello. Thank you na kayo. Kukunan ko na yung mga nagbabol dyan. Wow!
Thank you. Nakasama ang diet eh.
Ira! Uy!
Nakakagahin niya o.
Sige, tara. Mag-bingo tayo. Siya, tingnan mo ang galing ng ano niya. O, tingnan mo napofocus yung ano. Mas maganda pa kesa doon sa Digicam. Lalaki na siya.
Mama!
Laris? Lovers in Paris pa mo, ha? Lobat na yung video cam? Lord, di mo naman dinala yung ano? Camera? Dito na lang tayo, galas 11 ng gabi. Lifeguard. That's our lifeguard. Can you see them? We are very much safe with our lifeguard. Those are the cottages. And there is our nipahan. It's got one, but we fit in. Oh, they are offering cheap foot scrub here on the shore. Yeah, there they are. They're having their foot scrub at 50 pesos. My Oliva. Oh, that's the dance. So they are enjoying very much the kids. They are so thankful that there are people who are hearted, throwing away hundreds of dollars just to make us happy. Thanks a lot, brother, Ate Roma, and of course, Ate. We can never forget. And thank you. Kaya ang ganda niya, nagpo-focus siya kahit nag-video. Di tulad ng camera ko. Ayan, yan. Do you know that? Do you know that person? The king of the ship. No, the captain of the ship. And the queen of... Not the jungle. Queen of the Palasiges. And the king. Oh, there's your finance manager. His assistant. Me, I'm just your chamber